Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Have you thought about using chicken or beef base instead of bouillon? In this video, I'll compare the differences between base and bouillon, bouillon versus base ingredients, nutrition facts comparison, reducing sodium, and chicken and beef base uses. First, what is the difference between base and bouillon? Chicken or beef base is like a thick paste versus bouillon available in cubes and granules. Bases must be refrigerated after opening. Bouillon can be stored in a cool, dry place without refrigeration. Both have use-by dates for maximum quality. Some bouillons can last for years in tightly sealed jars. One of the biggest differences is the ingredients that go into bouillon and bases. Bouillons are highly processed foods with many man-made chemical ingredients and very little beef or chicken. Here are some typical bouillon ingredients. The first one usually being salt. There's more maltodextrin than chicken fat and more silicon dioxide than dried cooked chicken. Bases, especially organic bases, have the meat as the first ingredient, followed by herbs and spices. For this organic chicken base, roasted chicken is the first ingredient. Salt is listed third, and it's made with ingredients like natural flavor that some people may want to avoid. Why is a product with man-made natural flavor labeled USDA organic? According to USDA regulations, any prepared food that is 95% organic ingredients can be labeled organic. There are some minor and major differences between most bouillons and bases. Bases typically have more calories since they're made from beef or chicken. They can also have more calories from fat compared to bouillon. The biggest difference is the amount of sodium, since salt is the first ingredient for bouillon. Like most prepared foods, the amount of sodium will vary from brand to brand and product to product. In general, organic foods have less sodium than non-organic foods. This non-organic chicken base has 820 milligrams of sodium per 1 teaspoon serving. The only way to know the amount of sodium per serving is by checking the nutrition facts label. If you must restrict sodium, an organic base is a better choice than non-organic bases and bouillons. For a cup of broth, it can be the difference between 350 milligrams and 800 plus milligrams of sodium. For soups, stews, gravies, and other recipes, you can reduce or omit added salt to compensate for high sodium bases and bouillons. Chicken and beef bases are interchangeable with bouillon. You can use bases to make a quick bowl or cup of broth, enhance the flavor of soups and stews, make quick chicken or beef soup, make broth for recipes, make a quick chicken or beef gravy, and use in place of water to cook rice, quinoa, and other grains. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.